After ditching its own Exynos processors in its recent Galaxy S22 series handsets, it looks like Samsung could be bringing the SoC back for future phones, as a new rumor sheds light the brand could make use of Exynos processors in its upcoming Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S23 Fan Edition. The news comes from PocketLint, with the outlet receiving the information from a reliable source. Apparently, similar to before, the company would only use the Exynos processor in certain regions. However, the new change could come soon, with the processor showing up in the upcoming Galaxy S23 FE and may even arrive in the Galaxy S24, slated to arrive sometime in 2024. While utilizing another chip wouldn't usually be an issue, Samsung's Exynos line, unfortunately, has a bad track record, with performance issues and other problems surfacing on Galaxy S22 handsets. One of my friends experienced these problems firsthand with the Galaxy S22 Ultra with lag and display problems. Since Samsung chooses to utilize Qualcomm's Snapdragon processors in other regions, clearly consumers can experience the difference in quality firsthand. The company is most likely well aware of past issues with its chip, so there's no reason to believe that it will continue to make the same mistakes going forward, hopefully. With that said, let's hope that its latest Exynos processors will perform similarly to competitors' SoCs. When Samsung launched the Galaxy S23 series, it was highlighted in the press release and other marketing materials that the devices would be running on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy, which delivers slightly higher clock speeds than the standard Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 platform found in other competitor devices. Despite what many of us had assumed was a multi-year partnership, it seems the global use of Snapdragon in the flagship Galaxy S devices wasn't to last. Our source told us that while Snapdragon might still power the Galaxy S24 variants in the US, Europe is currently on track for Exynos. What do you think latest Exynos processors will perform similarly to competitors' SoCs? Let me know in the comment section. As always, I will see you in the next video. Peace out.